हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल LIS वर्ड में। सब्सक्राइब करें LIS वर्ड को और दबाएं बेल आइकन ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पर मिलते रहें। मैं दीपिका आज आपके साथ लाइब्रेरी साइंस के महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक लाइब्रेरी कैटलॉगिंग के क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ, तो बने रहें LIS। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, हु इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ डिक्शनरी कैटलॉग? C.A. Cutter. ISBD is developed by IFLA. ISBD stands for International Standard for Bibliographic Description. The first edition of ISBD published in 1971. The main entry of cataloging provides maximum bibliographic description. Chan procedure was first formulated by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. The complete catalog record of a bibliography entry known as main entry. A person who collaborates with one or more persons to produce a work is known as joint author. B&B adopted Chan indexing for the first time in 1950. LC first issued Mark first in 1966. In AACR second ISBN is given after notes area. According to CCC, pseudonym real name entry is CRIE. In AACR second, the subtitle is preceded by colon. The part first AACR first deals with description. The part second of AACR second deals with rules. In author catalog, books are entered under personal names. The author of cataloging a textbook for use in libraries, Henry A. Sharp. A direction from one headings or entry to another is known as reference entry. The two parts of classified catalog are classified part a alphabetical part. POFC is concerned with indexing. A union catalog is a list of holding of more than one library. Canon of uncertainable is concerned with cataloging. The author of simple library cataloging is S.G. Akers. Chapter 5 of AACR deals with descriptive cataloging. In the shelf, the cards are filled according to call number. LCSH was first published in 1898. The revision of ALA Code of 1949 is based on the groundwork prepared by S. Lubarjatki. The complete bibliography deals in mark are available in variable field. WordCat is maintained by OCLC. 260 tag in mark format marks. The publication information. The principle of canonical sequence is one of the principles of helpful sequence. The left-hand area of the tracking section in CCC is used for cross-reference entry. Canon of recall value was developed by S.R. Ranganathan. How many sections consist in the main entry according to AACR second? 8. Which is the latest edition of CCC? 5th edition 1964. In which year Uniterm was developed? 1953. Which one is responsible to originated Tracy Chan procedure, who is the publisher of Sears list of subject headings. H.W. Wilson Company in 1923. Vatican Code was published in 1931. According to S.R. Ranganathan, the canons for Chenars, canons of decreasing extension, and the word catalog is originated from which language? Greek. The principle of local variation is mainly applicable in cataloging. Who is the author of subject catalog? E.J. Coates. The three display components of Précis are lead, qualifier, and display. When was the final ISBD consolidation edition published by IFLA? July 2011. How do we render the name Bernardo Augustine Devoto? Devoto Bernardo Augustine. The process of establishing headings and providing cross-references is called authority control. What are the four entities of FRBR model? Work, expansion, manifestation, item. What is the relationship between ISBD and cataloging codes? Anglo-American codes include bibliographic description. LIPHIS was developed by T.C. Crowen.